Hi guys, back to our third and the last video of the day. So, this is the key concept, and key concept is always our do you understand question. But we are just going to read it. How is the volume of a cylinder related to the volume of rectangular prism? Volume of cylinder is the same as the formula of volume of prism. The formula of volume of cylinder V equals BH, where B is the area of a circular base, height of H is the height of the cylinder. So basically V equals BH, B times H, and B depends upon what is the shape of the base. Okay, what are the two measures? What two measurements do you need to know to find the volume of cylinder? So if I'm doing volume of cylinder, I need to know pi r square h. So pi I already know, but what do you need? R and h. So radius and height. If pi is not given, I know 3.14, or I can use the pi sign on the calculator. Okay, cylinder A has a greater radius. I'll draw cylinder A. So this is A. It has a greater radius. I'll take this radius. Sorry, radius is this, half of it as 4. And cylinder B. So I'll draw cylinder B, but I have to make sure that radius is smaller. So if this is 4, I'll take this as 2. Okay, does that mean does cylinder A necessarily have greater volume than cylinder B? Now see, the volume depends upon the radius and the height. So if this height has, like, this height is 2 and this height is 6, then we can have 2 square 4 times 6 as, and then pi also we have to. So if the height is bigger for B, we can get the more volume for B. So it's not necessary radius alone doesn't determine volume. It's also the height. So it's not that if the radius is small or big, then that volume has to be big. Okay guys, hope you're getting it. Now, what is the volume of a cylinder? Express your answer in pi. Volume of a cylinder means V equals base times height. They've already given us B. So B is 4 pi times height is 10. Okay, write the answer in terms of pi. So I don't have to convert the pi into any number. So 4 times 10 is 40 pi. Mm square and mm will give me mm cubic. Okay. What is the approximate height of the cylinder? Use this 3.14 as pi. So here I know the volume, like in the tried question. Volume is something I know. This is B times H. So volume is 314 equals pi r square. Okay, and height is given 10. So this is pi r square. Pi they told me to use as 3.14. I don't know the r square, so I'll just write that, and times 10. Okay, so I divide this by 3.14 times 10 is 31.4. Sorry, 31. Let me erase it. Here no mistakes can be tolerated in calculations. Okay, 31.4. Now here it is 314, so I'll divide that by 31.4. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, even this gets cancelled because of this. Now r square is equal to, how many times will 31.4 go in this? 314 divided by 31.4, and you should get 10 . Getting right. 3.14 times 10 equal to 31.4, and you divide 31.4 by this, you get 10. R square is 10 pi down to the okay, and then radical pi R square is 10. 314 is the volume. This divided by 31.4, so it will go 10 times. R square is 10, so R should be what do you find? What is the approximate height? Oh, that's where I did mistake. I did not read the question properly. Sorry guys for the long video. Just 1 second. Height, I thought we have to find the radius. I was radicaling it. Okay, excuse me for this. See, if you don't read the question, you can do it wrong. It doesn't matter. So volume equals pi r square times h. Volume they have already given 314 to us. Pi is 3.14, and r square, r is already given us 10, so 10 square times h. So 10 square is 100. 100 times 3.14, so it should be 314. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So 314 divided by 314 is 1 equals h. So it's 1 feet. So 1 feet. Okay guys, now the last one. What is the volume of a cylinder? And they have given circumference, so we have to do one more step. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. So basically I need to find the radius. Once I know the radius, I can find the, so circumference is 2 pi r, and they give the circumference as 22.4 equals 2 times, use 3.14 as pi, and radius is something which I don't know, so I'll keep r as r. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. So this gets cancelled, this gets, I'm bringing it to the other side, 6.28. So 22.4 divided by 6.28 you get as 3.566, so equals r. Now this is your r. Once you get the r, what you're going to do, you have to find the volume. Volume equals pi r square h. Pi is 3.14 times 3.56 square times h is given as 4. So first you always do the 3.56 times 3.56, which you get as 12.67, okay, times 3.14. So times 3.14 times 4, so times 4, and you get 159.18. Now they told round to the nearest 10, so this 8 will make this as 2. So 159.2 centimeter cubic. Hope you're getting it. Thanks for watching, and we are done with 8.2. Your homework is next 2 pages, which you're going to scan and send me, and make sure you do the 8.2 next week. Bye, see you.